this video is for 6th and 7th grade grammar. I want to review with you all something about Quizlet. Now that it's very difficult for us to read through words together, and I know that you all will be really bored listening to a video of me reading through your words, the main reason that I do that, of course, is to stress some meaning differences between words and also to help you all with the pronunciation of words. So I've decided that a great way for you all to do that, today's our first day moving into lesson 12, a new lesson, and so we're going to try this week, you all going to the flashcards section, the very first one under study, and I want you to listen to how they pronounce each of the words and listen to the definitions. So let me get back to the first word. This is a 6th grade word list for today. 7th grade, yours obviously will be different, but the same applications apply. So what you're going to do is I actually want you to double check and make sure that this is, and I'll make it on full screen, that it's got the right options. So when you go to full screen, you'll see that down here in the bottom, it says options. You want it to be on audio, so you want to turn that on. Yellow means that it's on. And you also want it to answer with both.
Abandon.
All right.
1. To give up by leaving in a time of danger. 2. To leave or give up completely. 3. To withdraw help or support from one in need.
All right, so this shows you both the term and the definition. If that works for you, do that. If you would prefer for it to be separate, you can see the front of the card, abandon, that's my term. I click it, I hear my definitions.
2. To leave or give up completely. 3. To withdraw help or support from one in need.
All right, and then you just click it and you go to the next one. And I've got to
an enemy or opponent.
Click it to see the back. All right, and then I go to my next word, baffle, and I click it.
To confuse, to prevent from understanding.
Right. So proceed that way through all 15 words, and that is going to help you all make sure you know how to pronounce it and also get familiarized with the definition. And then you can go ahead and in your workbooks do 12A. So that's how you do that. Awesome. Thanks, you guys.